Okay, if you can remember the story I shared some months ago about a creator that we had a physical meetup somewhere within my area. So this morning she reached out to me and shared one wonderful story about her channel. In that particular meeting, she shared her frustration. She told me about how she had been struggling with her YouTube, with her fashion channel or fashion content. And I gave her a lot of ideas, many tips, and to an extent she felt that trying those things out were almost impossible. But I told her that she should give it a try. So this morning she reached out to me and she said she has been eager to share the story she just the new experience she's having in her YouTube journey. So she started this channel about not up to a month ago or so, and she got it monetized. And right now she's making about almost or average of $200 every day. So from the story she shared, I think I will play the record so that you can hear what she has to say or our conversation.
It's this kind of a thing. I'm not gonna lie you. For the past 3 days, I know that one just happened because some days are like that. For the past 3 days, Mr. Eno, today for the past 3 days, because this Wednesday, yesterday and today, that's the money I've seen. 200. I say, me when you say they take me they take me I make $20 every month, so it takes me 6 months to $200.
It takes you 6 months to make $200. It takes you six.
It takes me 1 year to do $200 on my sewing channel, but
wow,
I've made 200. That's $600 in 3 days.
Wow.
I woke up this night. It was 239. I mean 231. Yesterday was 201. This Wednesday was 200. I said, well.
So it took her almost a year to earn up to $200. But fortunately, in her new channel, she just started a new channel afresh, and she did some of the things, most of the things I advised her to do when we had a one-on-one conversation, and the thing is working out for her in a new channel. Now she's earning what she couldn't earn in a year. She's earning it in a matter of days. So what I'm trying to say here, why I brought up this particular story, is to let you know that things are changing and you don't need to give up. And like this video, I'm trying to to make it also to share to some of you who have reached out to me either through consultation or through meeting or one way or the other, that I have shared 1 or 2 ideas. I know sometimes some ideas might be almost impossible for you to do as a creator, like maybe especially an aspiring creator, probably because of the kind of content that the kind of content that will get involved or how it will affect your personality. Yes, if you want to be a content creator, you need to forget about your personality, because like right here on this channel, I know the kind of negative comments I have to overcome. Sometimes people call names, all that. But if you really want to be a content creator and you want to show your face on screen, you need to develop a thick skin. You need to develop thick skin, because sometimes sometimes people won't accept your idea or what you share. There will always be people that will counter what you share on your platform. So now she tried what I shared with her with some 1 or 2 examples, and it worked for her. Even if we're in the season of low views, that shouldn't make you to give up on your channel or on your YouTube journey. You can experiment other kind of content, and one thing, the reason why I had this physical meet up with her was that most of my live streams, she's always among the first people to join. And most of you don't know that in my live streams, I always share gems. I won't come out on a recorded video like this to tell you try this or try that, but in my live streams, when people are asking me questions, I'll have that opportunity to say some things and even say some things off record You get the point. And those of you that understand will decode some of the information I'm trying to share. And she's one of those persons. You know, she's always on my life. So even when we had that meetup, she told me that she always waits for me, and most times I normally adjust the time, I extend the schedule. I say, yes, that means you're a good follower of this channel. So guys, don't give up. You can see her testimony. She has been on YouTube for some years, but 2025 is her year. So even when in this season of drought, don't be negative minded, be positive. Be positive. Just might not be ad revenue, just might come in another form. You get the point. Just, you know, your revenue might come from possibly brand deals. And I think I will also make a video about how you can make money on your channel even before you get your channel monetized. I think this is another great way that can keep you up, at least even before your channel gets monetized. If you are getting like $10, $5, $20 a day, those kind of little change, I think that would be a motivation for you to continue your content creating. So let me leave it at this point. Please don't forget that there's always a light at the end of the tunnel, so don't give up. Make sure now is the time for you to even do more. Like I said in my last live stream, I said that this is, now that we have, drought or view drought, this is the best time for you to make more content, because when this season is over, a lot of us will benefit, especially those that are consistent. So be consistent, increase your frequency. And if you notice, you see that some creators are easily giving up because of this situation. And then if everybody gives up, the vacuum that is there, who will take it over? Who will take over the vacuum, or who will occupy the vacuum? Definitely is those that are consistent. Those that are consistent are the ones that will take over the vacuum. So stay consistent, stay positive. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And I know that YouTube will dash me more likes than the views I will get on this video, but please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you want any support, my AdSense support, scan the QR code on the screen, and we will do the needful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.